Hello everyone, you are watching my channel Language Fluency by Preet Kaur, and here I am Preet. Today I want to talk about a motivational speech that is needed at every level of your life if you want to succeed in your life.
So, starting with the motivational story, which is all about never underestimate yourself. Never underestimate yourself का क्या मतलब होता है कि अपने आप को कभी कम मत समझो दूसरों से, आपको अपनी डायरेक्शन में मूव करना है. समटाइम्स क्या होता है, हम ये सोच लेते हैं या हमारे लोग आसपास, द पीपल हु आर अराउंड अस, वो हमें कहते हैं कि हाँ हम ये नहीं कर सकते, या तुमको वो वाली डायरेक्शन में नहीं मूव करना है, और तुम ये कर ही नहीं सकते, तुम्हारे बस की बात नहीं है. सो दीज आर द सम कॉमन थिंग्स, दीज आर द सम कॉमन टाइम टैग लाइन्स विच वी आर. सो ये सारी चीज़ें हमारे अंदर क्या बन जाती हैं, बिलीव्स, जिसे हम मान लेते हैं कि यस हम नहीं कर सकते, वी कांट डू एनीथिंग, वी आर जस्ट यूजलेस. सो दीज आर बिकमिंग बिलीव्स और मिथ्स इन आवर माइंड. ठीक है, इन चीज़ों को हमने रिमूव करना है, ओवरकम करना है. और कभी कभार क्या होता है, मोस्ट ऑफनली वी आर वॉचिंग इन टू आवर लाइफ्स, कि क्या होता है कि जो लोग हैं, हम देखते हैं हमारे जो आसपास फ्रेंड्स हैं या कोई भी है, रिलेटिव्स हैं और एनीबडी, ठीक है, हु आर जस्ट अराउंड us or who are moving on to that direction in which they are earning so handsomely, so economically they are just moving. So हम ये देख रहे हैं वो जिस डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रहे हैं या उनका जो प्रोफेशन है, we need to move into that direction or we need to go for that profession so to earn so high. So this is not the thing. You need to create your direction, you need to pave something good to your path so that you could able to earn फ्रॉम योर डायरेक्शन. आप अपनी डायरेक्शन से कुछ अर्न करो, ना कि जो दूसरों का प्रोफेशन है, दूसरों के प्रोफेशन को चूज़ करके आप कुछ अर्न करो. यू हैव टू क्रिएट योर ओन आइडेंटिटी, यू हैव टू वर्क सो हार्ड to make yourself so good. So I'm going to share a story with you which is just related to this. I heartily want to share it because it is seriously going to make a better impact on your life, and you are seriously going to tell me that it is really wonderful. Okay, so this story is all about the teacher and the learner. A teacher who was just teaching mathematics to the students every day. He just came into the class one day and he gave the problem to the student, and he told them that it is a kind of a most difficult problem which he has ever seen in his life, and it is not even solved by him. So there was a student who always used to sleep in the class. He always slept in the class when the teacher was just teaching mathematics to them. So suddenly the bell rang and he went away from the class, and the sleeping student who just woke up by just listening to the bell, and he saw on the blackboard that it was written a problem, that there was written a problem that it must be solved by every student tomorrow. So he just wrote down the problem on his notebook. So everybody has a belief at that time, everybody was having a belief that it is a kind of a problem which was not even solved by the teacher. How could we solve that problem? So the student which was sleeping in the class, and he went back to the home and he just tried to solve that problem, because he was just having a thought in his mind that it was a problem which was given by the teacher at that time, and he must be checking tomorrow, and otherwise I'll be punished. He didn't hear anything in the class what the teacher had told to the student, what kind of problem was that, because he was sleeping. So next day he just tried the problem and he just solved the problem and went back to the teacher and just showed his notebook that he has just done it. And the teacher was just shocked to see that how could you solve this problem, how could you, as he hasn't heard anything in the classroom that what the teacher had spelled away. So he tried and he had done it. So the teacher was really shocked at that time, because so the other students of the classroom, they had just come up with nothing. They tried but they failed. So, as the story has ended, and now what would be the moral of that story? As only the one student who was just sleeping in the class has done everything, and other student who was just waking, who were just waking up, and they were just listening to the teacher. They hadn't done anything. because they were having a belief that they can't do because it was the problem that was not even solved by the teacher. सो बेसिकली इस पूरी वीडियो का क्या मतलब है, इसका ये मतलब है कि हमारे जो बिलीव्स हैं वो हमें इतने भी स्ट्रांग नहीं करने चाहिए कि हमें यही ना पता चले कि हमारी क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है और एक्चुअल में हमारे पोटेंशियल क्या है, हम क्या कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स हु वर विद हिम, जो उसके साथ थे, वो उस बच्चे के साथ थे, जो सारे जाग रहे थे और सुन रहे थे टीचर को, उनके दिमाग में घर जाके बस यही घूम रहा था कि वो जो प्रॉब्लम है वो टीचर से नहीं सॉल्व हो पाई, वो हम कैसे करेंगे. सो दिस इज़ द थिंग दैट यू हैव टू ओवरकम विद ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो दिस इज़ द थिंग, सो नेवर अंडर एस्टिमेट योर सेल्फ. आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो, यू कैन डू एवरीथिंग, नथिंग इज़ इम्पॉसिबल इन लाइफ. जस्ट इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ बूस्टर फॉर यू, सो इट इज़ अ boosting video for you. You have to boost yourself and you have to come up with new ideas to share. So if you are liking this video, if you would like this video, so please comment below that you have liked, that it had made seriously a big impact on your life and you are working on this for your future life. So I am hoping for the best to come out of you. So if really you are liking my videos, so please comment, share and subscribe my channel as much as you can.